Hey guys, I'm in my kitchen today and I'm going to be teaching you my version of a very popular Southeast Asian stir fry, mee goreng. Let's go. So this dish is really simple and it requires a few ingredients. We need some egg noodles, preferably thin ones, a handful of bean sprouts, about 2 spring onions. What you're going to do is you're going to halve them and then cut them into about 3cm strips. We also have 1 red onion. You're going to peel the skin off the onion with a paring knife, but if you're not comfortable with one, please don't use them. Just use a normal knife. And we're going to slice it into thin slices. I've got some seafood tofu curds. You can get them from Chinese supermarkets and they go quite well with this dish. We'll only need about 2. I slice it diagonally, downwards. And you get some nice triangle pieces. 2 prawns and some chicken. You can use cooked chicken, you can buy them from the supermarket. I'm gonna cut my chicken to smaller pieces. You can also use beef for mee goreng. Now for this recipe, I will be using some curry powder. You can buy them from Asian supermarkets, and some tomato ketchup, and also an egg. Now we have all our ingredients, we're ready to start frying. First of all guys, we need to gather some hot water and we need to cook our noodles. Cook it on medium heat and let it expand and soften up. Heat up your wok again. Oil. Heat up the oil, get your ingredients ready. Prawns in first, followed by everything else. And that's it. 10 seconds. Out. In the same wok, add a bit more oil, crack your egg. Onions and bean sprouts in. Okay guys, here we go. Bean sprouts and onions into the wok. You're gonna give them a quick fry. Turn your wok on high heat. Fry the vegetables until they're golden brown. You want to cook them because the noodles cook quicker than the vegetables. So we're gonna keep frying them for a few more seconds, as you can see here. Now we're gonna put our noodles into the wok. You're gonna put some oil into the wok. You have to make sure your wok's really hot. This way the noodles won't stick to the wok, and you're going to heat up the noodles in the quickest way possible. So always make sure your wok's on highest heat right now. Flip it a few times, making sure all the vegetables and the noodles are mixed together, making sure the noodles get very hot before you add any color. And then now we're going to add the dark soy sauce. Once you've added the dark soy sauce, you want to spin the wok really quickly. To get all the colors mixed in with the noodles. Also again on high heat. Now the colors have been mixed in properly. Now we're gonna add some MSG, sugar, curry powder, about half a teaspoon, and the tomato ketchup. About 3 circles goes in. Give it a fry. Ingredients go back in. Finish it off with some light soy sauce around the side, and we're ready to serve. And there you have it guys, that's how you make mee goreng. See you next time.